Hi, my name is Paula. Welcome to my country. In my country, I like to dance in the summer. I live with my mom, dad, my grandmother, my sister, and my brother. I live in the city of Thailand.
Hi, my name is Jan. Welcome to my country. In my country, I like to play outside. I live with my grandma and cousins. I live in the town of Guatemala.
This is a map of Thailand. It is located at longitude 15 degrees north and longitude 100 degrees east. Its neighbors are China and Philippines. Some major bodies of water near it are South China Sea and Philippines Sea. In Thailand, they have dry climate because the sun is hot.
In my country of Guatemala, it is hot like Thailand. In Thailand, the people make money through farm and agriculture. It's a beautiful and sunny country. If climate change continues, there will be drought.
We will affect climate change, and climate change will affect all of us. My home country, Thailand, is similar to Mexico because the weather hot and sunny. You can help little climate change impact by plant trees.